So I'd like to start by describing this new initiative that we call Application Starter Packs. So Application Starter Packs are essentially application frameworks that work with InterSystems Iris that extend the capabilities of Iris to more closely address a specific class of problems in a specific industry. And the first one we're releasing is the Smart Factory Starter Pack for manufacturing companies. So this starter pack provides manufacturing companies with real-time visibility into their manufacturing processes. It helps them improve the quality and the efficiency of their manufacturing processes. And it helps them turn their factories into smart factories by ingesting real-time signals from their machines on the shop floor through an industry standard protocol that's called OPC UA. It integrates the real-time signals with their manufacturing software and their enterprise software, including manufacturing execution systems and ERP systems and data warehouses and so on. And it provides a real-time operational view of the manufacturing equipment and the processes, and also by calculating real-time key performance indicators like overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, which is a common and critical KPI for manufacturing companies that they often use to manage their business. And then providing all of this information in a comprehensive manner to key personnel through real-time dashboards and real-time alerts and so on.
Let me first introduce Vlisco. Vlisco is a Dutch textile company that exists over 170 years. As a CIO, I'm looking for opportunities to boost the digital transformation within our factory, which allows us to transform towards a smart factory. And let's talk about the starter pack itself. And let's start with what's most important to Vlisco, which is the product quality. First, we are a premium and luxury brand, so consumers have high expectations about the quality of our fabrics. Second, we need to produce right first time as much as we can to justify a production facility in a high-cost country. So it takes about 20 steps on average to produce our fabric. We believe we can reduce scrap at every production step with at least 1%, which results immediately in a financial benefit of 50,000 euros per year. So therefore, we're continuously looking for quality improvements. In addition, we need to produce as efficient as possible to stay in the market. Long-term goal is to work with a digital twin in the factory, where the operator manages production via a control room rather than being on the shop floor itself. Ideally, the production process manages itself by auto-correcting process parameters based on data and advanced business logic. Machine behavior becomes more predictable, and if you combine that, well, then you have a real smart factory. Data is the founder of all these quality improvements, and Vlisco will become a smart factory by implementing the InterSystems Smart Factory Starter Pack together with IT Visors.
We will be using InterSystems Iris data platform as the data platform for Vlisco to realize their vision on the Smart Industry 4.0. For this, we have designed a 3-layer architecture to store, transform, and serve the data. A big advantage of this solution is that the outcomes of the serving layer can be used again in the transforming layer. For example, with the help of automated ML to optimize the process even more. Like the OE real-time dashboard looks like this in Power BI, and you can use it on your PC, on your mobile telephone or your tablet. That's all because we use Power BI. On the other hand, we have made, together with the OEE dashboard, we have made a template within Vlisco to inform the operator of the quality of the operations performed. So this is our quality dashboard, also made in Power BI.
And so for more information on the starter pack and to go and download the starter pack and use it for yourself, simply visit openexchange.intersystems.com, where you'll find the code and the documentation all there for you to access.